my main goal is to glow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy JP, Short Guy Productions. I'm here with another video, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install these spacers. Take a look over here, amigos. These spacers we got here. Precision European Motor Works. Got good reviews from these people. And, yeah, right here, these are 20 millimeters. 20 millimeters, so that go in the front. A lot of people gone with 35. I'm sorry, with 30s in the back. I decided to go with 25s. So enough talking. Oh wait, hold on. Before let me show you what I got here. I got this thread locker blue. Just, you put it on the threads, and it's supposed to just like tying the nuts. I also got a wire brush to when I take out the rim, I could brush off anything that's preventing me from putting one of these in on the backside of the car. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, we're outside. See my baby? You see how she's tucked in right there? So we're gonna bring this baby out. Check out the front. Yep, same way. No good. Yep. So we're gonna fix that. Follow me. Short Guy Productions. Follow me, baby. Look at this, guys. This car has 44,000 miles. I'm the second owner of this vehicle. This hasn't even been used once. I'm the first guy. And I'm about to look how interesting this is. And I had to take all this crap out. All this. I didn't even know this. Look at that. There's a Bose speaker right here. I did not even know. No wonder this thing pumps loud. I thought it was just the speakers inside. I was like, damn, this Bose is really awesome. But now that I see in here, there's a Bose speaker here. And underneath this is my freaking emergency tire. Yep, I didn't even notice. And I changed this light. Interesting. So anyway, I'm about to work on this, so let's get going. Note to self, get a better jack. This shit is not for me, bro. Look at this fucking shit, man. What kind of shit this is, man? I'll be like fucking hour doing this shit. Oh, excuse my language, man. I can't even curse, man. I'm sorry. Oh my God. I'll be here forever. It's a good thing that you guys don't have to suffer like I am. Alright. See you guys. Look at this shit, guys. Woo! Damn. This is wide as a motherfucker. Oh, excuse my language. Look at that shit. Look at the HRs. HR springs. Alright, guys. One thing I forgot to mention, I don't have a torque wrench. So I'm using this, and I'm just going to tying it with my force, with hand powers. Yeah, guys, I failed to get a torque wrench, you know. My fault, my bad. So, yeah, just gotta do it with force. That's how we're gonna do it, you know. Short Guy Production style, you know what I'm saying? So good in the hood. I do really want to get this painted red. Yeah, and I think I need brake pads too. I'm not sure. I think I might need one too, to get some brake pads. But anyway, all right, let's put on that spacer. Stay right here. I wish I had somebody here to hold this camera. I'm about to put this blue stuff. This bad boy in here. There you go. I'm done. Just put the rim back on and we're good. Nah. Alright. I'm about to put these on. Each got put. Well guys, I ran to a little boo-boo. Which one is it? Let me see what is this. Yeah, right, this one. Doesn't go all the way in there. So I can't tighten it with this thing. Alright guys, you see this? See how it is? I have like a special coat. See? Now look at this. Yeah baby, I grind the shit out of this. Grind it so it could fit. So it could fit in here. And I finally did it. It worked. Not with the help of a little bit of lubrication. Big shout out to Palmolive for helping me out. So anyway, we're back in business. So I tightened it. I already tightened it. It's all tight. I have to put the tire back on there and go to the other side and do the other side. So ta-da! One side done. I like how it is. Waiting for the springs to settle in. Well, off to the next side. Hey guys, all right, just to let you guys know, if you're doing this, make sure you do it with somebody. Yeah, doing it by yourself sucks. But almost done. Just gotta put this back on and then off to the front part. Look at this, even worse. I'm at the point where I just want to say F it. I want to go upstairs and go to sleep. But gotta continue, guys. Doing it for you. Well, actually I'm doing it for me, but for you also, you know. Look, this is how the back looks. Look at that. Love it. Let's check from the back side. Let's check it from the back. Look at that. Nice. Time to do the front. Really don't want to do it, but I have no choice. I have to finish it before I get started. Probably got an hour left, so let's get to it. Well guys, it's day 2. And yeah, I haven't finished. So I'm on second day, and I'll show you what I'm working with. Hang tight. So what I did was, I jacked it up, took the rim off, make sure the spacer was tight, tighten that, put this back on. I'm done with this. Done with this side. So how it looks good. It's more out. I mean, it's not crazy out like that, but it's out there. Better compass. It's way different from this one. That one's really tucked in. So anyway, let me go finish the last one and be done with it. Be back. Yo, what up guys? Well, I'm finally done with the car. Finally finished. I changed and all that because I'm gonna go to a barbecue. So I just want to let you guys to see how it looks. So this is the end part. That's how it looks. Back. Looks good. I like it guys. It does make the car look different. Well guys, that was it, man. It was a pain in the ass to do. You know, it was only me. I had no special type of tools, so I had to do what, you know, use what I had. It's cool. It's, you know, it's a good experience. You know, do it yourself type of thing. But I had fun, and I sweated a lot, but it was all worth it. But the car looks beautiful, and I'm happy. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If it's your first time, please subscribe, and please please hit that like button. You know, I really appreciate if you hit the like button. And hit the notification button so you will be notified for future videos. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. All right, peace.